Hey everybody, welcome back to the channel. This is a quick video, and if you have updated your Wealthsimple app and opened it up this morning, what's been rolling out now is Fractional Shares. So get your iPhone or Android device out, update to the latest version of Wealthsimple on your phone, and you should see Fractional Shares. This isn't available on the web browser version of Wealthsimple Trade yet, but if you have it in your smartphone, you will be able to access this. And what this is Wealthsimple now is rolling out shares. Currently there's 14 shares available, or 14 companies available to buy in fractional shares. And what this allows you to do is to purchase into companies for a minimum of $1. Now the minimum purchase of a fractional share is either $1 US or $1 Canadian, but this allows you to get into companies, and a lot these companies that are available right now are some of the larger companies with higher stock prices. For example, Amazon, Tesla, there's Apple in there. There's 14 altogether. Mostly they are US stocks, but there's some Canadian stocks in there, including TD. There's also Shopify. So check that out. The best way I found to find it is to go to the search function, and there is a box that shows up that will actually show you all of the shares that are available for fractional trading. And there is also a little pie chart that pops up beside the company's name if it is available for fractional shares. Now, you would purchase these in the same way in your choice of how you're buying it, whether it's a market buy, etc. There will now be a selection to choose for a fractional buy. You will purchase that. Now what it does is it will not complete the trade until the end of the day. So if you have a balance, you'll see in your account, it'll say not available. That is going to be the amount that's going to be purchased using the fractional share by the end of the business day when markets close. So you'll see that stock show up in your portfolio after it's purchased at the end of the day. So hopefully we'll see some more companies get added to this as it rolls out. I will take a bit closer look. There's no stocks that I want to purchase as a fractional share right now, but it is kind of tempting to maybe look into some Apple and Amazon. In the past, a lot of times these stocks are so expensive, you would probably buy them in an ETF, but a lot of times if it's an ETF, there might be other stocks that you don't necessarily want to purchase as part of that ETF. So it's nice to own the actual stock. If you have any questions on this, leave me a comment down below. If you are starting to maybe purchase some of these fractional shares, let me know what companies you're interested in. Let me know what companies you might want to see available for fractional shares as well. Thanks for following along, everybody. If you've made it this far and you aren't subscribed to the channel, what I am doing is I am building my Wealthsimple Trade TFSA portfolio, trying to build it up to $100,000 with small deposits along the way. We're just on it for about 3 months, so it would be great to have you follow along. We're seeing some growth in the portfolio. Thanks everybody for your comments. Thanks for watching. We will see you in the next video.